So when the numbers are given, how to construct the frequency table? So they may ask for 5 marks. So construct a histogram of the following: 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 is there now. Just a histogram here. If you draw like this now, it is a frequency polygon we say. Hello, good morning to my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramanian, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Year College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Statistics for Management 1, Session 1 BBA. It goes in favor of introduction, what's called the blank table, tabulation, all this we are going to read. So when the numbers are given, how to construct the frequency table? So they may ask for 5 marks. How to construct the frequency table? I am going to explain now. So it goes like this. So these are the number they have given. Construct frequency table 10, 22, 24, 10, 11, 14. A line will begin starting from 0 to 10. So we take the class from 0 to 10. What is the highest number? See that 69 is there, 71 is there. Now we'll have a table now. Class 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. So this is the class. Start from 0 to 10. Then you have got tally bars. Then frequency. This is for 5 marks. Construction of frequency. So here when you take 0 to 10, 0 is there, 10 is not there. See that? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Which numbers are there? See that. Come back here. 10 won't come. It is also there. 24, 12. 14, 24, 14, 16. So no numbers are there. Then 10 to 20, 10 is there, 20 is not. 10, 11, 1, 1. Here. 12, 14, 11, then here 16, 17, 18, then 12, 14, 16, 18, 4, then 18, 20 is not there. Come here now. Another 12, 11, 14. Okay. Then come here. 19. Then 19, 16, 18, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 16, 14, another 2. So 5 plus 10, 15, the 22. This is 0. Now 20 to 30. 20 will be there, no 30, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. 20, 1, 22, 24, this row. Here also 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 20 to 30, 24, 28, 20, 24, 4 item, 1, 2, 3, 4, here over, here come back here, 24, 28, 24, 28, 21, then 28, 29, then 26, 26, then 27, 21, 23, 24, 21, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 28, 29, 28, 29, 20, 21, 22, so 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it comes to 25, then 30 to 40, 36, 38, 36, 38, 30, 32, 36, 38, 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, fourth number, then here 64, 1, so 30 to 40, 39, 1, 30 to 40, 32, 33, 32, 33, this gone. So this is 5 plus 4, 9. 40 to 50, 40 to 50, 48, 1, 48, 1, 48, 1, 49, 2, nothing is there, only 2. 50 to 60, 56, 56, 59, 50 to 60, nothing, 2. 60 to 70, 65, 64, 68, 64, 68, 64, 68, 69, 69, nothing is there. So it is 3. So 70 to 80, 70 is there, 80 is not there. 71, gone. 72, 71, 73, 3, 1, 2, 3, only 4, 80 to 90, 0, 0. Add the number. 2 plus 5, 7, 67. This is here. Constructing the frequency. So just to construct the tally and construct this. So we'll have a 5 marks for this. Just find out when you say 0 to 10, 0 is there, 10 is not there. 10 to 20, 10 is there, 20 is not there. I think easy to construct the number. Then we'll move on. Prepare a blank table from the following: faculty, arts, commerce, science, class, first year, second year, third year. So they want a blank table. Blank table. Faculty, what are the faculties? Are arts, commerce, science, arts, commerce, science. Then first year, second year, third year. First year, male, female total. Second year, male, female total. Third year, male, female total. Girl, boys, girl total. That is 5. Okay. Faculty year. This is. So he wants a faculty, arts, commerce, science. Here also arts, one group. This is commerce. So faculty arts, male, female total. Second year, male, female total. So arts, commerce, male, female total, male, female total, male, female total. Science, male, female total, male, female. So 5 was this blank table showing class, faculty and sex according to boys, girls. Very simple, no? Simple. Arts, commerce, science. First year, male, female total. Second year, male, female total. Third year, male, female total. No numbers are to be filled up now because it's a blank table. They are asking, that's all. Just a blank table. Hope you can understand. Now, the office records of a company in the year 2000, there are 1,000 employees. Of these 100 work women, 20 women and 300 men were drawing a daily wages of rupees 100 or more. By the year 2005, the number of employees increases by 25% and the strength of the woman doubled. 50% of the employee, including 60 women, were drawing a salary of wages rupees 100 or more. In the year 2010, the total strength was 1,500, of which 40 were women, only 100 men and 100 women drew less than 100 wages, prepare a table. So we'll go with a format. This is the wages below 100, rupees 100 and above them. So 2,000, we'll go with the 2,000. Slowly we'll go with the 2,000. Records of the company in the year 2000, there are 1,000 employees. When you say that, the total is 1,000 employees. 1,000 employees. There are of these only 100 work women, 100 are females. So 900 are male. Okay. Then of these 100 work women, 20 women and 300 men were drawing daily wages of rupees 100 or more. So the office records come in 2000, there are 1,000 employees. You see, 1,000 employees. Of that, female is how much? 100. 900 is the male, female. Male is considered. What the next question is going on? Here 100. 20 women and 300 men were drawing a salary of 100 or more. How many men? 20 women. Then 20 women and 300 men drawing. Okay. After 100, by the year 2005, leave it off. Filled up now. 900, 300 is 600. This is 100 minus 20 is 80. This is 300 plus 20 is 320. You deduct now 680. Add 8 plus 2, 10, 1 plus 7, 10, 8 plus 2, 10, 10. 680, 320, 1000. Filled up now. See that? What are the missing figure we have done? These are all the missing figure we have done. They say 20, 300, 900, 300 is 600, 100 minus 20 is 80, 600 plus 80 is 680, 320 is 1000. This goes in favor of 2000 now. I think you understand now? Just to fill the number. He says, no, there are 1,000 employees. Of the 100 is the woman, 900 is the men. Out of them, 20 is the female, and 300 who are drawing more than rupees 100. The remaining is below 100 rupees you have got. Here no distribution. Then 2005, this over. By the year 2005, the number of employee increased by 25%. So 25% of 1,000 is, so 1/4 of this 250, the total is 1,250. So increase by how much percentage? 25%, it becomes 1,250 is there. Then what does it say? No? By the 2000, number of employees increased by 25. And the strength of the woman doubled. Strength of the woman has been doubled. What is the woman? 100 becomes 200. 200. 100 becomes 200. By the year 2000, the number of employees increased by 25 and the strength of the woman double. 50% of the employees, including 60 women, were drawing daily wages of rupees 100 or more. Here no, he says 50% of the employee, here no, and the strength of the woman is there. 50% of the employees, including 60 women, by the year 25% the strength of the woman. 50% of the employees, including 60 women, 50% of the employee, including 60 women, were drawing daily wages of 100 or more. Here no, 50% of the employee, including 60 women, 50% of the employee of this no, 50% of the employees, including 60 women, 50%, half of this, 625. 50% of the women, total me 1,250, 60 employees. Strength of the 50% of the employees, 50% of the employee, half of this, including 60 women, were drawing the wages of rupees 100. So 625, here 625, deduct 60, 565, then 1,250 becomes 1,050. So 1,050, in that 565 gone, 485, 1,250, 625 is another 625. 625 minus 485, 625 minus 485, 140, 625, this is 200, 60 has gone, so 60 here now. Here 1,050, 565, 485, 485, this is 260, 5, it is 200, so 1,050, 625 is 625, here no, 200 is there no, here no, 1,050, out of that he says no, 1,050, 1,250, then 624, 85, here no, 625, 485, 140, this is 5, 625, 140, this is 140, so 485, 140, say 140 plus 60 is 200, then 6,250, 625 is 625, so 625, 485 is 140, 140, 60 is 200, add this. Then in 2010, come back here, 50% employee of rupees 100 more. In the year 2010, the total strength was 1,500. Total strength was 1,500. Out of which 40% were women. In that 40% of these, $600. Then 900 are men. So 1500 is the total strength. Out of that 600 are female, mean 900 are men is considered. Then for your only 100 men and 100 women drew less than rupees 100 rupees wages. 100 men, 100 women less than rupees 100. 100 men, 100 female less than rupees 100. Bring out the reference. This is 800. This is 500. This is 200. Add. This is 1300. See that? Totally 1500. 600 are female, mean 900 is the men. So 100 female, 100 men are drawing less than below 100, 100. So difference is 800. Here difference is 500. Add this 200. Difference is 1300. So this is distribution of employees. Distribution of employees. So slowly you have to 5 marks this. Just there will be missing figures are there. Just to make the tally that mark. Just a missing figure. You must have that below 100, rupees 100 and above total. Slowly whatever the missing figure comes, you have to make it. Then we'll move on. So construct a histogram of the following: 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 is there now. You have to consider instead of 5 marks there. We'll go with the table. Which is the highest one? Highest is the 15. Okay. We'll go like this. We'll go slowly. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Which is the last number? See that? 70 to 80. 70 to 80. Which is the highest one here? Highest one is 15. Draw here. Go slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Highest. This is histogram. Now we have to go 0 to 10. How much is there? 6. 0 to 10, 6. 0 to 10, 6 is there. What is next one? 10 to 20, 10. 10 to 20, 10 here. Carefully you have to draw. Draw this. 10 to 20 is 10. Then 20 to 30, 12. Here, 12. Roughly I am doing. Then 30 to 40, 8. Here 8. 8. 40 to 50. 40 to 50, 10. Here 10. Join this. 10. 50 to 60, 15. Join this. 60 to 70, 11. 11. Join. Roughly I am doing. Then, last one. 70 to 80, 14. Just, it is called histogram. If we draw center, no, it is called frequency polygon also. If they ask, Then join like this, draw like this, come this, go this way, join this, join this, join this. So if you ask the frequency polygon, you have to do like this. First one, it is called histogram. If they ask which is the highest one here, you draw like this. Draw a line here. It's a mean or median or mode. This one same. Here center line, highest center line, mean, median and mode. So it is called histogram here. Just a histogram here. If you draw like this, no, it is a frequency polygon we say. If they have a mean, median, it will come in the center. Very simple, no complication. Very simple, we can do that. Then last one more. Construct a frequency table. Start from 6 to 14. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 is there. Construct class 6 to 14, 14 to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Here, no? So what is the next number? So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 8. 14 to 8 is 22. That is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14 is not there, 8 difference. Then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. This is 22. So 6 to 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So here 22 to 30, 30 to 38, 38 to 46, 46 to 54, 54 to 62, 62 to 80, 70. We'll go with one tally bars. He wants like this. 6 to 14, 6 is there, 14 is not there. 7, 1, only one item. 14 to 21, 14 to 22, 14 is there, 22 is not there. What's the first number? 6 to 14, 12 will be there. Then 14 to 22, 14 to 1, no, only 1. 22 to 30, 22 to 30, nothing is there, 0. 30 to 38, 30 is there, 31, 30, first line 2, then 33, then is 25. 30 to 38, 16 is there. Then 30 to 38, 30, then 31, 5, 35. Then your number is 30 to 38. This is 25. Then 35, 38, 35, 38 won't come. Then 38 to 46. 38 to 46. One more 4. 38 to 46. 41. 45. 39. First line over. 38 to 46. 38 is there. 45. 39. 47. Then here 38 is there. 44. 44. 38. 40. Then 38. Then 27, 36. 27, 36. Then 30. Then this line go. This is 42. 42. Then 44. Then 41. 40. 40, 42. 40, 42. Then 46 to 54. 46 to 54. 46. Then 51. No, only 2. What is next one? 54 to 62. 55, 1. 58, 1. 55, 3. Then last one, 62 to 70. 65, 1. 63, 1. Then 70 to 80. Here 76, 1. So frequency, this is 2, this is 2, 0, this is 4, 10, 11, 5, 10, 15, 16, this is 2, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1. Add the frequency, 40. N is 40. Simply just have patience and do it. So we have constructed the histogram, we construct the frequency polygon, and also all the method. Here no, this will all comes for 5 marks. One is the blank table, construction frequency table, number if you have got 0 to 10, 0 is there, 10 is not there. Hope you understand. We'll have one more blank table, different table in the next session. Till then, goodbye.